This is chow mein, a super easy, super flexible dish, one of my go-tos when I don't feel like making anything. You can make it with any vegetables that you have on your hand, or any protein like chicken or beef or any leftovers. Uses just regular old spaghetti and some regular spices. So let's get started. First step is to figure out what vegetables you're gonna use. I have green peppers, mushrooms, cabbage, onion, some chili peppers, and some green onions. Next step is to boil some pasta. Nothing special here, just get a lot of water and some spaghetti. I'm gonna break my spaghetti in half because it's too big for my pot. You don't have to use a lot of water. Just use enough to cover the spaghetti and a bit more, and that's enough. I added about a tablespoon of salt. That should be enough for this amount of water. Now chop up your vegetables. I just sliced everything really quickly. Now the chili pepper is optional. I just wanted to add some heat. If you want, you can skip it or add more. I don't know. Add a habanero. Now it's time for stir frying. See, the trick is when stir frying at home, you want to do everything in batches. The burners at the restaurants are very powerful and they can produce a lot of heat and they can stir fry a bunch of stuff at the same time. If you do it at home, you want to stir fry a little bit at a time. So first, add some oil to your wok and heat it up until it starts smoking. Then add your first vegetable. I just added the green peppers and cook it while stirring and frying until you see a little bit of charring on the vegetable. If you add all your vegetables in the wok at the same time, the water that's released from the vegetables will end up steaming or boiling the vegetables. That's not what you want. You want to fry these vegetables. Now cook this for about 2 minutes until you see a little bit of brown spots. They will get a little bit soft. Once they're cooked, take them out to a bowl or a plate or something, and then start with your next batch of vegetables. Ideally, you should be adding more oil after each batch, but I didn't want to add a lot of oil to the dish, so I just cooked with the remaining oil from the previous batch. Now this step is optional, but I'm adding an egg to this dish. So add some oil to the wok, add an egg, and just like swirl it with the spatula. You're trying to make an omelette rather than scrambled eggs, so don't stir it too much. Just let it cook and then break it up with your spatula. Once your egg is cooked, now it's time to add everything to the pan. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my spaghetti into my wok, and I'm just using tongs to bring it over. I'm not going to drain the spaghetti. I actually want some of the water that comes with the spaghetti because that has a lot of starch in it, and the starch will thicken the sauce, or whatever the sauce we have in this case, which is not a lot. Once you fry the spaghetti for about 30 seconds, add all your vegetables in the pan and stir fry everything together. So now it's time to add our seasoning. I added about a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, add a tablespoon of that into your dish. Then I added a bit of black pepper, a bit of salt, and about a tablespoon of Sriracha. Any hot sauce will work. I also added some chili flakes to make it a bit more spicy. That's completely optional. Now at this point, taste for seasoning. Make sure the salt level is okay. If it's not, add more salt. When the seasoning level is okay, your dish is done. Just plate it out and eat it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and leave a comment telling me what I should make next. Thank you.